Hello everybody and welcome back. Hola a todos y bienvenidos nuevamente. Ya estamos en la parte final de esta serie de videos Aprende frases en inglés. En la descripción del video te dejaré un enlace donde podrás encontrar desde la parte número 1 hasta la parte final, ya que si aprendes estas frases podrás tener una conversación con cualquier persona que hable inglés. Dicho todo esto, comenzamos. No olvides suscribirte, activar la campanita y compartir con tus amigos para que te lleguen todas las notificaciones de los videos que subimos al canal. Ahora sí, comenzamos. Are you looking for something? Are you looking for something? Repite. Are you looking for something? ¿Buscas algo? What do you need? What do you need? ¿Qué necesitas? What do you need? It's working. Está funcionando. It's working. It's working. It's not working. It's not working. No está funcionando. It's not working. It's not working. It's very helpful. It's very helpful. Es muy útil. It's very helpful. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Es un milagro. Repite. It's a miracle. How do you learn? How do you learn? ¿Cómo aprendes? How do you learn? I practice when I'm free. I practice when I'm free. Practico cuando estoy libre. I practice when I'm free. I practice when I'm free. It's normal. Es normal. It's normal. It's normal. I need to rest. I need to rest. Necesito descansar. I need to rest. Do you want to talk? ¿Quieres hablar? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk? Wait for me. Espérame. Wait for me. Wait for me. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Te esperaré. I will wait for you. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're ready. Dime cuando estés listo. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're ready. I can't right now. I can't right now. No puedo ahora. I can't right now. I'm happy for you. Estoy feliz por ti. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I will take a shower. I will take a shower. Voy a tomar una ducha. I will take a shower. It happens to everyone. It happens to everyone. Le pasa a todos. It happens to everyone. How do you do it? How do you do it? ¿Cómo lo haces? How do you do it? I'm doing the same. I'm doing the same. Estoy haciendo lo mismo. I'm doing the same. I have time. Tengo tiempo. I have time. I have time. I don't have time. No tengo tiempo. I don't have time. I don't have time. Do you have money? Do you have money? ¿Tienes dinero? Do you have money? Do you have money? I have money. Tengo dinero. I have money. I have money. Tengo dinero. I don't have money. I don't have money. No tengo dinero. I don't have money. I don't have money. I'm busy with school. I'm busy with school. Estoy ocupado con la escuela. I'm busy with school. I'm free this weekend. I'm free this weekend. Estoy libre este fin de semana. I'm free this weekend. What time are you free? What time are you free? ¿A qué hora estás libre? What time are you free? I will tell you later. Te lo diré más tarde. I will tell you later. I will tell you later. I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you soon. Espero verte pronto. I hope to see you soon. Can I have one? Can I have one? ¿Puedo tener uno? Can I have one? Can I have one? Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Póngase cómodo. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for your hospitality. Gracias por tu hospitalidad. Thanks for your hospitality. What's new? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? What's new? What's new? Nothing much. Nothing much. Nada mucho o no mucho. Nothing much. It's interesting. Es interesante. It's interesting. It's interesting. You have a beautiful house. You have a beautiful house. Tienes una hermosa casa. You have a beautiful house. I'm making plans. Estoy haciendo planes. I'm making plans. I'm making plans. It's exciting. Es emocionante. It's exciting. It's exciting. Tell me more. Cuéntame más. Tell me more. Tell me more. I will write it. I will write it. Lo escribiré. I will write it. Explain this. Explica esto. Explain this. Explain this. Explain this. I have a problem. Tengo un problema. I have a problem. I have a problem. Take your time. Toma tu tiempo. Take your time. Take your time. I can explain. Puedo explicar. I can explain. O lo puedo explicar. I can explain. It's a secret. Es un secreto. It's a secret. It's a secret. I'm here. Estoy aquí. I'm here. I'm here. I can't hear you. No puedo escucharte. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't see you. No puedo verte. I can't see you. I can't see you. Time to sleep. Hora de dormir. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. I hate waking up early. Odio levantarme temprano. I hate waking up early. I hate waking up early. What are they doing? What are they doing? ¿Qué están haciendo ellos? What are they doing? What are they doing? You will like it. You will like it. Te gustará. You will like it. I'm bored. I'm bored. Estoy aburrido. I'm bored. You are a good teacher. You are a good teacher. Eres un buen maestro. You're a good teacher. I appreciate it. Lo aprecio. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Where did you go? ¿A dónde fuiste? Where did you go? Where did you go? I live with my family. I live with my family. Vivo con mi familia. I live with my family. I live alone. I live alone. I live alone. Vivo solo. I live alone. Who's here? Who's here? ¿Quién está aquí? Who's here? Who's here? I'm in bed. I'm in bed. Estoy en la cama. I'm in bed. Which is it? Which is it? Which is it? ¿Cuál es? Which is it? Visit me. Visítame. Visit me. Visit me. Visítame. What are you buying? What are you buying? ¿Qué estás comprando? What are you buying? What's that noise? ¿Qué es ese ruido? What's that noise? What's that noise? It's time for dinner. Es hora de cenar. It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner.